Welcome to our channel, English Gateway. You are ready to learn English, and that's a fantastic decision. We are here to assist you. Class 2, Lesson 1, Parts of Speech. English grammar is built on 8 parts of speech. These are the basic building blocks of sentences. Let's understand them. 1. Noun. Names of people, places, things, or ideas. Example: John India, book, happiness. Sentence: John is reading a book. 2. Pronoun. Words that replace nouns. Example: he, she, it, they. Sentence: she is my friend. Third verb: action or state of being. Example: run, eat, is, are. Sentence: he runs every morning. Fourth, adjective: words that describe nouns. Example: beautiful, tall, red. Sentence: she has a beautiful dress. 5. Adverb: words that describe verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. Example: quickly, very well. Sentence: he runs quickly. 6th, preposition: words that show relationships, place, time, direction. Example: in, on, at, under. Sentence: the book is on the table. 7. Conjunction: words that connect sentences or ideas. Example: and, but, because. Sentence: I like tea and coffee. 8. Interjection: words that express emotions. Example: wow, oh ouch. Sentence: wow, this is amazing. Activity 1. Now, try identifying the parts of speech in this sentence. The cat is sleeping under the table. What is the noun? What is the verb? What is the preposition? Take your time and let me know your answers. Excellent. Let's check your answers. 1. Cat. Correct. It's a noun because it is the name of an animal. 2. Sleeping. Correct. It's a verb because it shows an action. 3. Under. Correct. It's a preposition because it shows the relationship, location, between the cat and the table. Well done. You're off to a great start. Great job. Keep practicing these basic parts of speech as they are the foundation of English grammar. Don't forget to subscribe to English Gateway for more lessons, tips, and activities. Let's make learning English fun and easy together. Remember, learning a new language takes time and effort, but with consistent practice, you can achieve fluency. Don't give up and keep pushing yourself every day.